In this quick tutorial, learn how to find your Solana address in Best Wallet. Your Solana address can be used to receive Sol and Solana-based tokens, called SPL tokens, as well as check your wallet on a blockchain explorer, or share it with Best Wallet's support team. Every multi-chain wallet in Best Wallet has a unique address for each blockchain, meaning your Solana address is different from your Ethereum or Bitcoin address. Here's how to find your wallet's specific Solana address. First, open Best Wallet and select the wallet you want the Solana address for. Remember, only your multi-chain wallets support Solana and SPL tokens. On the home screen, tap the Receive button. Then tap the Chain tab and choose Solana. Each blockchain type has its own unique address, and using the wrong one can lead to failed transactions or lost funds. Once you've selected Solana, you'll see your address as both a QR code and a long string of characters. You can copy it to your clipboard or scan the QR code from another device. And that's it. That's how to find your Solana address in Best Wallet.